Hi designers, back again in new tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to create a typographic design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. Go to the rectangle tool and draw a artboard size rectangle. Then apply the dark blue color to it. Go to the Object menu, Lock, and Selection. Select the Type tool and type the text, and change its font. In my case, I choose this font, Allard Display Bold.
Make it to the uppercase from the Type menu.
Then try to order the text in the vertical position. Then go to the Object menu, Flatten Transparency, keep the settings and hit OK to separate these words. Right-click on it and ungroup. Then go to the File menu, Script, and Text Block. The link to this script mentioned in the description of the video. How to download and install a script video also be uploaded, link in the description. Align it with the artboard. Right-click and choose Ungroup. Right-click again and choose Create Outline. And rotate it a bit. Then go to the Line tool and draw a line. Hold the Alt button for a copy of it and place it here. Now select All, go to the Pathfinder. If it's not there, bring it from the window menu. And click on the Divide button. Double-click on it to go inside the isolated mode. Select the Magic Wand tool, click on the white color, go to the Edit menu, and cut. Select all remaining and hit Delete. Then paste it in front. Now select the text parts. Hold the Shift key to select them. Right-click and group. Repeat the process for the other two parts.
Select the first part, go to the Object menu, Compound Path, and Make. Repeat with the other two. Select and apply the gradient to it. Use the basic black and white gradient. Then select the same color of the background. Select the gradient tool and adjust it. Select the center part and apply the gradient. Follow my setting here.
Finally, create a rectangle of artboard size. Apply the color to it, and change the blend mode to multiply. You can change the color on it with one click. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comments section.